Hi, this is Corinna, and this is my model, Cassis. I'm going to be doing a curly haircut for you today on dry hair. I'm going to be using a bit of a freehand technique and using the shape of her head to do my haircut. She washed her hair yesterday and braided it today, and there is no product in it. This tells me that her curl is probably a bit more relaxed than normal. I'm going to be taking that into consideration while choosing my length so that her hair won't shrink to a much shorter length. Cassis has dense hair with fine to medium strands. She wants to get rid of some old dry ends and introduce a curly frame with soft, round, long layers. Her bangs will be soft and versatile. I'm deciding what length to cut her bangs by measuring her hair while dry. I'm going to begin by starting in the nape, and I'm going to strengthen and freshen her ends by cutting off what feels dry. This length in the nape is shorter than our target length. The reason why I am trimming this section is so that this hair has an opportunity to grow and catch up to the rest. Next, I'll start my first section where I cut my target length, considering that it will shrink about an inch or two. I'll be separating the front from the back, and I'll continue working in the back. My sections are about an inch thick as I move up the head shape. I want to make sure I can control the hair and manage my shape easily. I'm beginning to lift my sections to create graduation. This looks really pretty with curls. Be sure to use your mirror often to check your shape as you go. My shape is round, and I'm always thinking about balance. Each section is elevated straight out, and I'm cutting to my previous guide, following her head shape rather than over-directing back or forward. When I finish the back, then I'll move to the front and start my section from the parting to the ear. Now I'm going to cut the bangs and frame. My target length is above her eyes, so I'll be cutting her bangs at her lips, allowing for that jump. I'm going to be creating a short to long angle. Before I move on to my next section, I'm going to be checking my balance. In this next section, I can start adding more framing, working around the head and connecting to the back. I'm going to be elevating higher the higher I get on the crown. This will create my soft, round layers. The last crown section will connect the fringe to my guide in the back. I'll be working short to long, elevating straight out from the head. Now my shape is in. It's looking so gorgeous. I'll have Cassis lean forward as an easy way to check my shape. Then I'll have her lean back and I can cross-check the back as well. I'm not going to be using shampoo today because Cassis has clean hair, so I'll just put a leave-in conditioner and a mousse after I wet her hair down. Once I apply my product, I will pat gently to remove excess moisture. I used a brush to clump her ends together after I applied product. Now I'll put her under the Climazone with medium heat for about 45 minutes or until dry. Once the hair is dry, I'll make my final adjustments. I'm looking for my balance again, and I want to expand the shape for our photos, so I'll be massaging the scalp and shaking out the ends. Mushing and breaking the cast. You can also use cold air on your dryer to expand the hair even more. I'm loving these bangs on her. I like to call these starter bangs. They blend away into the longer bits, but also there's a few guys above her eyes that will pop out every now and then. So much fun! Love it so much. For more information, visit ponyeducation.com.